So now we're predicting the products of a chemical reaction from the reactants. And so we're just going to have to remember the diatomic elements. And so there's hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. And so these elements are always going to be a molecule of two of the same one. And whether you remember them with the O, fine, broccoli thing, I always remember with the Brinkelhoff. Whatever it takes for you to remember them, just remember that there are 7 diatomic elements. Here's an example. So we have aluminum and then chlorine. And so here we have 2 elements. And so it's going to be a synthesis reaction. And aluminum has a charge +3. And the chlorine here is the minus. So we're going to end up with AlCl3. And now to balance this, we're going to need a 3, then a 2, then a 2 back there. And that's all balanced. So 2Al plus 3Cl2 is going to make 2AlCl3. And so here we have 2 compounds, each with 2 elements in the set. So that's going to be a double replacement. And so because this is little 2 here, we know that this is a Hg plus 2 and a chlorine minus 1, and Na plus I minus. And so when we switch these around, we're going to end up with HgI2 plus NaCl. And now to get up to 2 chlorine, put a 2 here. And now we're going to need that 2 here. So now we're all balanced out there. And so here now we have 1 element and 1 compound. So that's just going to be a single replacement. Na is just Na plus. Hydrogen is just H plus. Chlorine is just Cl minus. So when these switch around, that's just going to be NaCl plus H. But remember, hydrogen is a diatomic element. So it's going to be H2. So we're going to need a little 2 here to balance that out. I'm just going to make a 2 there and there. Here, we have a hydrochloride, or hydrocarbon, and oxygen gas, which is going to make it a combustion reaction. And so a combustion reaction always is going to make something with carbon dioxide and water. It's just a matter of finding out what the coefficients are going to be. So just to save time, I've already done them, and it's going to be 38 for oxygen, 25 for carbon dioxide, and 26 for water. So then our last example, we have an element and a compound, making another single replacement. Cl is just Cl minus. It's just A plus. So those are going to come together for NaCl. And Br is one of those diatomic elements. So it's going to be Br2. Now, to get 2 chloride, I'm going to put a 2 here, and a 2 there, and then everything's all matched up, and we have a balanced equation.